Hello everyone. We discussed in the previous video about XML sitemap and understood its significance. Now there's another sitemap that you should also be creating and publishing, which is known as HTML sitemap. An HTML sitemap guides your website visitors to where they want to go. It's where they would turn to if they haven't found what they're looking for, either in your menus or on-site search. So they include every page or every category and sub-pages of your website. Think of it as a table of contents. Now in this picture, as you can see, it's an e-commerce setup where you have category boys fashion, men's fashion, and within this category you have clothing and shoes, and then you have subcategories. So a sitemap or a HTML sitemap compiles all of these images and it shows you in a single page everything that's on your website. Now, HTML sitemaps are different from XML sitemaps that we discussed earlier video. HTML sitemaps focus from a user's perspective, while XML sitemaps were from crawler's perspective. Now, I'll show you a couple of examples of where you can find HTML sitemap. Now, I'm going to go to this website called flipkart.com. This is an e-commerce website. As you can see in the top navigational bar, they have different kinds of categories over here, and within fashion they have more categories: men's top wear, men's bottom wear, and within this they have subcategories. And then electronics, you have all of the electronic gadgets, home appliances, travel, and all of this. Now e-commerce websites usually have hundreds, maybe even thousands of pages, so it's really difficult for the user to find the page that he's looking for. Now if I scroll down to the footer, you will find over here sitemap under policy. If I click on sitemap, it'll take me to the sitemap page. As you can see over flipkart.com/sitemap, and you will find all the categories over here, all the pages of flipkart.com in a single page. Now I can click on any subcategory and that'll take me to that particular page. As you can see, home lighting, vehicles, automotive accessories. It's a pretty large page because, like I said, e-commerce websites usually have a lot of pages. Another example that I can show you is gsc.gov.com, this website. Now this is, again, you have different pages over here in the header navigational. And if I scroll down somewhere under website information, you'll find a sitemap. And if I click over here, then again it takes me to /sitemap in the URL. This is the official website of US government, and you will see here the same pages by through us that you'll see over here, and then what is in the drop down menu. You'll find all the pages. So it gives a pretty handy reference to a user. It's not for the crawler. HTML sitemap is for user. It compiles all the images in all the pages basically in one place. So what's the significance of HTML sitemap? HTML sitemaps make the website more user-friendly. HTML sitemaps are of great importance for usability of websites, as they enable users to access any subpage quickly and with just a few clicks. The sitemap essentially serve as a directory for all pages, allowing users to quickly find what they're looking for. HTML sitemap also allows you to quickly identify internal links, which are also critical to improving your search engine optimization or SEO. And finally, you can also use your sitemap to see how you can improve your website's overall navigation. This can be handy if you have an older site with a lot of archived content that isn't well organized. Right? So if your website is on non-WordPress websites, then you should ask your developer to create a sitemap page and publish it on your website. But if your website is on WordPress, then it's very easy and you can create it on your own. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can create a sitemap on your WordPress website. So that's it for this video. Thank you, everyone.